Okay, are you thinking that all white paint is the same? Well, I did too until that one time when I painted my trim, only to find out the next day that it was actually a creamy yellow. Well, I've lived in a lot of homes and I almost always start with fresh white walls. And Pure White from Sherwin Williams is the one that I keep on hand at all times. In fact, I'm sitting next to it right now. So if you're considering this color, I'll tell you all you need to know to use it in your space. I'll show you some actual projects where I've used it, what to look out for, and where it works best. If we haven't met yet, I'm Allisa. I'm a former high school special education teacher, and now I'm a home stylist, amongst other things, and I focus on creating functional, calm spaces. I have learned firsthand how the space around us impacts our mental health and well-being. And that's something I want to share with you guys. So if that sounds interesting, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It feels so funny saying that. But it helped me grow this little channel, and we can talk more about paint colors and other simple home styling tips. So what is Sherwin Williams Pure White? Well, I've used a few different white paint colors, and this is the one that I keep coming back to. Sometimes I won't shut up about it, like Pure White, because really it works well in so many spaces. It's a very true neutral white that is ever so slightly warm, meaning that it's not gonna feel super stark or clinical. You know, it's not like that emergency room white that hurts your eyes, or primer or printer paper white. No, Pure White has a very slight touch of warmth. It's just enough to take the edge off. It's like a little hint. So I'd consider it close to a very true neutral, meaning it doesn't have pesky undertones to worry about. And this also means that it plays nice with others. So you can use it with a lot of different lighting and a lot of different colors. Okay, if you want to get all technical, Pure White has an LRV of a 84, which that just means the light reflection scale. So out of 100, it's on the brighter end, but it's not so close to 100 that it's not gonna be a stark white. It's just gonna be a nice, soft, true white. Okay, there's so much to love about Sherwin Williams Pure White. I could go on, but since time is limited here, I will list my top 3. First, it is pretty much a true neutral, and this means that its undertones are nearly balanced. So colors are made up of different colors, and when they're balanced, they're gonna look more neutral. So it's not gonna be creamy yellow or icy blue. And when it's neutral, I find that to be really calming, which is one of the reasons I've chosen it for so many spaces. Next, even though it's a neutral, it's ever so slightly warm. So it's a soft, comforting white. It's not a stark, clinical color. Like, it's not gonna make you anxious, feeling like you're in an office. And third, it plays well with others. It's super versatile, and that makes it helpful if you're working with existing shades or wood floors, or you wanna add in accents later. It's just gonna play, it's like the nice kid on the playground. It's just gonna play well with everybody. I really like it next to Benjamin Moore Onyx, which is the built-ins behind me, and I have a whole video on that. But it's also gonna look good with muted greens and other colors and wood shades. Speaking of wood shades, I've used it with white oak floors, next to white oak floors, and neutral LVP options. So it's a good white to keep in your toolkit. Okay, that might be more than 3, but I just told you there's so much to love. And if we were gonna talk about cautionary tips for Pure White, there's not a lot. It's a tried and true basic. I mean, I guess if you are wanting that stark, extra bright white, if that's really what you want, then this is probably not for you. Okay, big question. How does Sherwin Williams Pure White compare to Benjamin Moore Chantilly Lace, another super popular white color? I mean, this is the modern white paint battle for the ages. And truthfully, I love them both. In fact, I even made them play together. In one home, I painted all the walls Chantilly Lace, and I painted the baseboards and trim Pure White. It was a dream. So Chantilly Lace is a very true bright white. It is less warm than Pure White. It's just about as close as a true white as you can get. There are not any sneaky undertones. It can be ever so slightly cool, especially in cooler lighting. So I live in Oregon, we get overcast days, so it can be cooler in that kind of lighting. I had a home that had natural light and trees. It didn't ever seem blue or icy to me, but it definitely wasn't warm and cozy. Pure White, on the other hand, is also a fairly neutral white, but it's just a touch softer than Chantilly Lace. So it's gonna be ever so slightly warm, not in a creamy way, more just like a softer, subtle way. Seeing them side by side, you might not even see the difference unless it's been pointed out to you. And if you want to see what it looks like side by side, I wrote a whole post comparing Chantilly Lace and Pure White, so you can check that out in the description. Well, I think Pure White is one of the most versatile white paint colors out there, so the list is pretty endless as far as where you could use it. It's great for all design aesthetics. I have more of an organic modern style. That's the camp I kind of hang out in, but it could also be friends with modern farmhouse, mid-century, transitional type styles, and even if that's just a little technical, in general, other design vibes it works well with. Like I mentioned, it works great for walls, baseboard trim, cabinets, and I've even seen a few exterior homes in Pure White, and I think those work well because it does have a little bit of warmth. So depending on the sunlight and the way the house is facing, you're not gonna be battling any like cool undertones. I mean, really, I can't think of a place to not use Pure White. All right, I hope this in-depth review of Sherwin Williams Pure White helps give you an idea of just what this color is all about. Who knew we could talk so much about white paint? I mean, I could go on forever, it's probably a little annoying, but see, they're not all created equal. And man, if I could go back and fix that creamy white trim that I painted years ago. Anyway, I'm gonna be creating more paint related videos. So be sure to check those out. You can hit like and subscribe. Seems kind of funny to say that, but help my little baby channel grow. And you can see other videos that I have in the works for paint reviews and simple home decor styling.